Here we come to the parking garage elevators at Moody Gardens in Galveston, Texas. That right there is a Siemens UMMT fire alarm horn strobe. Look how many elevators there are, like 4 banks of elevators here. And they're glass too, so let's ride. Wow, this is beautiful. 6. So glad I found this. That right there is the hotel over there. On the G. I'm gonna switch to another car because I remember it has the beeper chimes like it had in the Lone Star in Texas garage at Sugarland Town Square. This is a pretty futuristic elevator that was installed 10 years ago. These elevators are 10 years old now, according to the records. We're gonna get one of these elevator cars because they have the floor passing chimes that I love. We got that one over there. Yes! Yes! Got that floor passing chime I love. Let's ride, here we go. There's your view right there into the Moody Gardens Hotel. There's your phone. Look down there. Look. You can see down to the shaft right there. Look at that. We'll look at the shaft on the way down or when we arrive at the lobby. I'm going to stop at 5. I want to sample that chime again. I love that chime. One of my favorite chimes that I heard when I was a kid. Dude, listen to that lantern. That lantern needs to be adjusted. There's Big Brother. I also love the brakes too. I guess we'll go for one more ride, full silent trip. Alright, full silent trip. Here we go. Cancel my call. NT van resistant fixtures. I'm going to take a picture outside here that shows the view into the hotel. ECI interlock. Travels 350 feet per minute. Look at this, see, look at that. You can see all the way up in that shaft. Look at the ropes right there, see? You can see the cables right there. That is the view up into the elevator shaft. This is a very nice elevator. I love Schindler traction. All right, Ann, that's it.